Good morning, all. In last session, we are seen about the building a data warehouse, and we have seen the approaches and the design considerations, right? Now, we are going to see about the technical consideration part. So, technical consideration in the sense a number of technical issues are to be considered when designing a data warehouse environment. So these are the issues that include the first issue is all about the hardware platform, which means that would have the warehouse data to be built, and the next is all about the DBMS that supports the warehouse data. And third thing is the communication infrastructure that connects the data mart, operational system, and the end user. And the fourth one is all about the hardware and software to support the metadata repository. And finally, these systems should take care of the management framework that enables the admin for the entire environment. So first is all about the hardware platform, which what we are choosing, and second the database management systems support thing, and third is about the communication infrastructure, and finally about the software system. So all together the administration has to take care of the overall environment. So that is about the technical consideration, and next we are going to see about the implementation consideration. So here in implementation consideration we are having the logical steps that need to implement a data warehouse. So these are all the steps that is followed over there. The first step is all about to collect and analyze the business requirements, and second step is to create a data model and a physical design, and third define a data source, and fourth one is all about choose the database technology and the platform. Fifth, we are going to extract the data from operational database and transform it, clean it, and load up to the warehouse. And next we are going to choose the database access and the reporting tool. And then we have to choose the database connectivity and the software. And finally we are going to choose the data analysis and presentation software, and we'll go to update the data warehouse. So these are all the steps that is followed over there. First we have to collect the requirements, second we have to create some design framework, and then we have to define the sources what we are going to implement, and then we have to choose the database technology and the platform, and then we are going to do the ETL process, and after that we have to do the accessing and the reporting tools which we are going to present, and we are going to see the connectivity and the presentation form. Finally we are going to update it in the data warehouse. So here in the implementation part, first we have to see about the access tools. So in access tools, the data warehouse implementation relies on selecting the suitable data access tools, and the best way to choose this is based on the type of data can be selected using this tool, and the kind of access is permits for the particular user. Like it will be having various types of data that can be accessed. One is simple tabular form data, second ranking data, third multivariable data, third time series data, fourth graphing charting data, and complex textual searching data, statistical analysis data, data for testing of hypothesis, trends and pattern, then predefined repeatable queries, finally reporting and analysis complex queries are there. And next we will be going to see about how the data are extract, clean up and transform the migration. So here the proper attention must be paid to data extraction, which represents a success factor for a data warehouse architecture when implementing the data warehouse several times. So these are all the following criteria we are going to select to and transform the data. So timeline of the data delivery to the warehouse is important, and then the ability to identify the particular data, and we have to find the index that is lies over there, and the capacity to merge data from multiple data source, and we have to find the specification of the interface over there, and the ability to read the data, then complete maintenance of the data and extract required data, and we have the capability to create summarization and aggregation of data. So these are all about the ETL tool which we are going to see about. So this now, next session we'll see other implementation part. Now as of now we have seen the hardware consideration, that means the technical consideration and implementation consideration part. We have seen about the access tool and the ETL tool. Thank you.